Angle grinders are versatile power tools that are widely used in various industries and applications. They consist of a motor-driven rotating abrasive disc or wheel that can be attached to a handle. Angle grinders are commonly referred to as best because they offer a range of features and capabilities that make them highly regarded by professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Angle grinders excel at cutting and grinding tasks. They can be equipped with different types of abrasive discs or wheels, such as grinding discs, cutting discs, flap discs, and wire brushes. This makes them suitable for various materials, including metal, masonry, concrete, tile, and more. With the right disc, angle grinders can cut through rusted bolts, remove excess material, smooth rough edges, and shape or sharpen objects. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 best angle grinders. So, let's get started. Starting of our list at number 5, Metabo HPT G18DBALQ4. This versatile tool is perfect for tackling tough tasks such as cutting rebar or pipe, shaping stone or concrete, and grinding metal and masonry. With a powerful no-load speed of 9,000 RPM, it effortlessly handles challenging applications. The auto mode feature is a great addition, automatically adjusting the RPM when the tool is not under load, resulting in reduced noise, vibration, and extended battery life for optimal performance. Its dust and water-resistant design add convenience and durability, ensuring a longer lifespan. Weighing just 4.0 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to transport and store. The non-locking paddle switch enhances user safety by automatically turning off when released. For added protection, it includes kickback prevention to ensure safety during demanding operations. With a soft start feature, it provides smooth startups and prolongs gear life. Additionally, the brushless motor further extends battery life, tool longevity, and overall efficiency. Here is the item number 4, Hychika 18V Power Angle Grinder. The high-performance motor of this angle grinder delivers impressive speeds of up to 8,500 RPM, making it perfect for a wide range of tasks including metal grinding, rust removal, cutting metal/steel/tiles, sanding, and surface treatment. Its exceptional power and durability make it suitable even for the most demanding applications. The grinder is powered by an 18V 4.0 rechargeable battery, ensuring extended runtime for uninterrupted use. To prevent power failure, the device has a safeguard that disables operation when the battery is reinserted with the switch on. This cordless angle grinder is compact and allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, eliminating the limitations of a power cord. It features a convenient slide lock switch and a rubber auxiliary handle that can be adjusted to 3 positions, left, right, top, for optimal installation and usage, enhancing both comfort and control during work. Additionally, the angle grinder comes with 3 different sizes of grinding discs, enabling swift and efficient accessory changes to meet the specific requirements of your project. The item number 3, Hammerhead HAAG060. The Hammerhead angle grinder tool is a robust and versatile option for all your grinding needs. Boasting a powerful 6-amp motor, this grinder offers exceptional performance and comes with a range of accessories to tackle various applications. Whether you require a metal grinder, metal cutter, tile cutter, or wood grinder, this tool has got you covered. Its 4.5-inch grinding wheel is perfect for both small tasks around the house and more extensive projects like rust removal. Adjusting the safety guard position is a breeze with no tools required, and the side handle conveniently stores the wrench so you'll never have to search for it again. Thanks to its 6-amp motor, this grinder is capable of handling tasks of all sizes, making it a versatile addition to your toolbox. To ensure safety, it features a paddle switch safety lock that prevents unintended powering, and the adjustable 3-position side handle offers enhanced leverage, control, and a secure grip. Number 2 in our list, DeWalt Wii 4011. Engineered for enhanced material removal and superior overload protection, this tool boasts a revolutionary one-touch guard system that eliminates the necessity for a separate tool to adjust the guard's position. With no buttons or levers, simply rotate the guard to the desired location. Additionally, the traditional spanner wrench has been replaced by a convenient hex wrench. Its sleek and compact design, featuring a low-profile, jam-pot gear case, not only enhances durability but also enables the tool to effortlessly navigate tight spaces. Moreover, the quick change wheel release facilitates tool-free removal of the wheel, eliminating the need for a wrench. For optimal comfort and control, take advantage of the 2-position removable side handle. This tool's 5/8" to 11" spindle thread accommodates a wide variety of 4.5" accessories, increasing its versatility. Experience enhanced comfort during extended use applications with its slim and ergonomic body design. The top one in our list, PORTERCABLE HAAG060 AG. Experience professional-grade features without breaking the bank with the small angle grinder. Boasting a budget-friendly price, this grinder combines a sturdy cast metal gearbox with a robust 7.5 amp motor, delivering an impressive 10,000 RPM to tackle your tasks with speed and efficiency. From challenging projects to demanding jobs, the PC750 AG's powerful motor effortlessly handles them all. Its 4 to 1/2" wheel enables versatile applications such as cutting rebar and concrete, eliminating rust and paint, grinding welding beads, and sharpening blades. Built to last, the grinder's cast metal gearbox ensures exceptional durability. With a 3-position side handle, you can safely and flexibly adjust your cutting positions. The tool's design also includes an extended on-off trigger switch, easily accessible even with gloved hands. Additionally, the spindle lock allows for swift and effortless wheel and accessory changes. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best angle grinders amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.